Once again, I welcome you to Teach Igbo Language channel. This is part 5. We are going to move at jet speed. In fact, we are going to move at internet speed. You will learn spelling. Your vocabulary must increase. Your power of speech must increase. You are not going to expect a special classroom for spelling or for pronouncing. Learn them now. Look at these 6 Igbo words. I would like you to spell them and pronounce them after me. Me o mo, ge e ge, ye a ya, anye e anye, uni u unu, he a ha. These are called personal pronouns in English, but in Igbo they are called nnochi person. Say it, nnochi person. You know that a noun is defined as the name of a person, a place, or a thing. Aha is the same thing as noun. Aha is noun. A person, a place, or a thing. It can be a living or a non-living thing. It can be visible or invisible. It can be abstract. It can be tangible. It can be an adjective. There are various forms a noun can take. They are all called aha or mpo aha. And the pronoun is something that can substitute for the noun. These are the 6 words. Mo, ge, ya, anyị, unu, ha. Pronouns or nnochi are divided into 3 categories: first person, second person, and the third person. These can exist in singular or mpolu, or they can exist in obara or the plural form. Nnochi, that is pronouns. In its singular form, we call it mpolu. When it is more than one, that is in the plural form, you say it is obara. First person singular, me or I, you say mo. But when it is plural, you say anyị, 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 we. Second person is ge, you, the person listening to me. You are the second person, and it is ge, singular. If it is more than one person listening to me, I say you, plural, that is unu. If it is a third person, you and I are talking about somebody else. That person we're talking about is a third person. He or she or it is ya. Say it, ya. When it is more than one person we are talking about, we call it ha. Ha is a third person, plural.
Aha m bụ Onyinyechi.
Lee mụ na ụmụaka, lee anyị, lee anyị, lee anyị. Anyị, anyị means we or us. Lee mụ na ụmụaka. Look at me and children. Look at us. Lee anyị. Me o mo.
Me o mo.
Ge.
Ge.
Ye a ya.
Ye a ya.
He a ha.
Ye a ha.
Anyị, anyị.
Anyị.
Uni unu.
Uni unu. Me o mo.
Ge.
Ge.
Ye a ya.
Ye a ya.
He a ha.
Ye a ha.
Anyị, anyị.
Anyị.
Uni unu.
Uni unu.
Isi.
Isi.
Ake aka.
Aka.
Ọnị ọnụ.
Ọnụ.
Imi.
Imi.
Anyị anya.
Anya.
Oli olu.
Olu.
Ezi eze.
Eze.
Afe afọ.
Afọ.
Ntị ntị.
Ntị.
N'nki eti nkịta.
Ntị. Nkịta.
Oke ọkụkọ.
Oke. Ọkụkọ.
Osi isi osisi.
Isi osisi.
Mmemme eme mmemme. Nenshi eki nshiko. Ichi eki icheku. Afe ofe afofa. Okwi uti okwute. Echi ichi echiche. Eni ugi enugu. Owi eri owere. Nye m ego. Nye anyị ego. Gosi ya nri. Gosi ha change. Nye ha oche. This composite table contains a total of 512 Igbo sentences. Freeze it on your screen and discover as many sentences as possible. Speak them as properly as you can and make sure you speak Igbo language to somebody today. For example, nye ya ball. Gosi ha oche. Nye m nri m. Gosi anyị ego ha. You can make out a total of 512 Igbo sentences in this simple but composite table. We say nri m, not nri, not ball. We say ego ha, not ha ego. We say oche anyị, not anyị oche. Our seat, our chair. We say ball m, not mo ball, my ball. You mention the noun first and then the possessive pronoun. Nrim, not mu nri. Ballum, not mu ball. Oche gi, not gi oche. Say after me. Gosim, it means show me. Le means look at. Nyim means give me. Then were means take. G-O-C-E, gosi. Le, there are two vowels that fuse. Le, li-e-e, le, ni-e, nye. Were is a two-syllable word. You can say gosim oji, which means show me kola. Le means look at. Nyim means give me. Were, you can say nyim akwụkwọ. From now onwards, get ready to start speaking Igbo language. Once you start speaking, you will speak very fluent, one thing leads to the other. Abiidii